And I was not allowed to tell anyone I was Jewish.
And somehow I never let go of my weapon.
They hit the enemy with a candy.
All of the duties incumbent upon me.
The Constitution guarantees marriage equality.
As the gantry is pulled back.
I am a Negro, and I'm very proud.
But I remember the feeling that it left.
We were in Louisiana, Fort Polk, Louisiana, which is very, very close to Cuba. So after our training day was over with, we'd go back to the day room, which we would normally play ping pong or pool or this type thing, and everybody's eyes were glued to the TV, you know, just really, really worried about what the next step was going to be. And that went on, I think, for 13 days. And they were loading the tanks onto the flat cars. And they did that quite often just to posture or to bluff. But at this time, they were loading the tanks with the ammunition, and they never included the ammunition unless it was real. So we knew it was very, very serious. Needless to say, I was scared. So I wrote a letter home. I was 24 at the time. Wrote a letter home to my mom and dad. I said, you know, I didn't vote for Kennedy. I don't agree with a lot of his policies, but he's absolutely right. We can't leave missiles 90 miles away from our shore, aimed at our cities that are nuclear missiles. We just can't do it. And I certainly didn't want to go to war, but sometimes you just can't let things go on. And at least from my perspective, I think we came terribly, terribly close to having a nuclear war. And it's just certainly grateful that it didn't go that route.